to draw Godzilla busting through a door, so or a wall or something. So let's do it. Let's get started. All right. I'm gonna go right here, and I'm gonna start right here and go up for kind of the open under mouth of Godzilla. It's gonna be easy, by the way. Pulling down over here into kind of the open mouth, and then right over here, side of the cheek, and then down over here. Line right here about this point, and I'm gonna do the back row of teeth first, like that. Right on. Line right here for, you know, that skin layer when kind of lizards open their mouth. Up over here for kind of the front of the snout. Pull over here now. And down right here. Gonna go over here as well for the teeth. And I'm gonna run those teeth mostly all the way down. And pull that skin a little bit forward right here for the side. Line right here for the skin on the far end. And line right there for the tongue. And then we're going to do some teeth in the back here. Right there, around the front. Right over here. Curve right there. Up over here. Down over here, back of the jaw right there. And by the way, as long as you're close enough, that's completely fine. You don't have to. This doesn't have to be exact. Just as long as just be in the ballpark, you like vaguely understand what it is. Then you're fine. You know what I mean? I want to say something. I want you to go to the comments. I'm sorry, the description of this, and pick up the free ebook. There's a free ebook on how to draw something cute. There's a free worksheet on the Gumroad. I'll try to put that in the description as well, of how to draw Godzilla's head, like, you know, side view, front view, all that stuff. Gives you a worksheet right there to work from. Go get that right now. That stuff's not going to be free forever. I put it there as a tool for you to use it, to have a free visual thing for you to have at all times. You can either keep it on your phone, or they're made to print. So, but pick those up. They're free right now. Gonna go over here down to the eye. Up over here. Kind of the top of the head right there. And I'm gonna go right here and pull a line over here for the eye, for Godzilla's eye, and I want it to angle a little bit, so it's probably going to angle around here, around that area. Down over here, out right there, underneath the jaw, and I want to put a little nostril right there at the end of the nose. And now let's have him busting through this wall. I'm just going to put a little wall right there, shape behind him, like he's busting through it. And what you can do here, which is pretty easy, is you can kind of throw like these jaggedy shapes, like he's ripping the wall, you know, like it's coming loose. And that part can just be any shape, really. It can be any shape, just any shape in general, so it looks like it's out there. So we have the framework right here. Let's go into more detailed stuff. So I put a dark right here under the jaw. I'm gonna curve right here for the rest of the tongue right there. I want to go over here, and I want to find the bag under his eye right there, and for his eye in general. And we're gonna have his eyes right here. I'm gonna pull up over here. We're gonna a lot of Godzilla is gonna be in detail. So I'm gonna throw over here where the teeth meet the teeth meet the how do you say that? Like where they meet the gum line. We can throw a little bit of dark over here. Line right there. There we go. I'm gonna go over here on this side. And line over here. There we go. Let's go into like specifics, right? Let's go over the line right here. Kind of separates the back to the front. I'm gonna throw lines right here for the snake belly. And I'm gonna just throw more of a hard jaw right here. I think it's gonna make it look a little bit better. And I want to throw a little bit of dark right here on this side. Curve over here. And what I can do over here is we can throw all these little semicircles to make it look like scales. And then see the spikes on his back right here, but you don't get to show them all because they're going through this. He's going through this wall. We can throw these curved little lines right here for scales. Right? That's kind of what's going on here is the scaling. Curve, curve, curve. Throw a little bit of dark over here in the back. See, something like this. There we go. Draw like little lines right here to make it look like he's, you know, tensing that muscle right there on the snout. Line over here in the back, and maybe a line over here as well. Maybe line down the front of the stomach right there to show like kind of like some light coming back. He's got a very flat head, but we can throw some more spikes up there to make it look a little bit more like Godzilla. It's kind of hard because he's busting through this wall. So what you could do is you could throw more dark around the wall here to make it to separate him from the tears in the wall. Maybe something like this. Yeah, see that kind of separates the, you know, Godzilla out over here from that. But another nostril over there, and that's pretty much it. I think it's pretty good. He needs more of the spikes, but you know what? It looks pretty good. Thanks so much. I want you to stay over here for the next lesson, and we'll go over it very soon.
Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.